Whether you're an affiliate marketer, lead generator, have an e-com website, or just a startup business, then you need to have a sales funnel in place to sell your product. This is my simple 10-step proven checklist that gives you all of the elements and components that you need to build a sales funnel that will automatically convert strangers into buyers on your e-com store in your sleep. Whether you're on the beach with your family, camping, having fun, doing whatever, doesn't matter. Also, if you have some tips and tricks that you want to share with the rest of the viewers, leave a comment below if you have something to add to this checklist. Now, on to the meat and potatoes. Before we continue, be sure and download my free ebook on my 7-step framework on how to launch knockout products on Amazon. It's free and instant access. Just click on the link below. Also, be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel to stay up on the latest in e-com. Item number 1 on the checklist is really starting with what matters the most, and that is to create a landing page around the core product in your offer. You have to start with that and build yourself out. We'll cover cross sells, sideways sells, upsells, downsells, and profit maximizers a little later, but you have to start with that core product. It's the foundational element to your sales funnel, or at least this variation of it. Item number 2 on the list is to develop a strong lead magnet, one that really converts at least 30% up to 50% of all of your visitors into subscribers to your email list. Now, I know you think, oh, this sounds too good to be true, but it's totally possible if you have something of great value to offer these visitors. Let's say you have a dog or a pet e-com store. You can offer a free download on, I don't know, information on dog breeds and how children interact, or safety, something along those lines. But offer it for free, and that will attract those visitors to your subscription list, and they will become buyers. Hey guys, if you like these videos and tutorials that I put together, let me know by liking this video. Item number 3 is to put together a really good Tripwire product in your offer sequence. Now, this is going to be some low cost, not low value product that you can sell to your, or send to your subscriber list that we've created, and have them buy it as a warm introduction. They're going to get way more value for the dollars that they have to spend, but this starts this relationship, this buying relationship with you, and we see a great increase in people that ultimately buy our core product or offer after having bought the Tripwire product. Item number 4 is to create a trustworthy looking site or mini site. This whole funnel really is effectively a mini site, and people trust credible websites, not sales funnels, because they have a little bit of a sleazy appeal, but they work like crazy. So you could throw in a couple of easy pages like an About Us page, obviously the product page, and perhaps a privacy policy page. And the privacy policy page is going to keep you out of trouble with any GDPR compliance issues. And you can check out my video on GDPR compliance here, because we all know we want to avoid being fined. Item number 5 is set up split testing right away. You want to do A/B split testing from the very, very beginning to test all of your offers, your main core product offer, your Tripwire offer, your lead magnet, etc. And you always, always, always need to be testing. There's always a champion, right? There's always the champion, but you always want to put up a contender against that champion because you never know when your next Ali is right around the corner. Item number 6 is choosing and listing all of your traffic sources for your funnel, whether it's content marketing, SEO, social, or paid traffic. You want to put together a list against all of the traffic sources that are going to be coming to your funnel so that you know what is going to be the winner. back to my A/B split testing in the previous item, this is a perfect opportunity. When you do A/B split testing, you are mostly going to do it against paid traffic because you're going to get the most amount of looks, most amount of measurable results in a short period of time. You take that winner, that Ali, and use it against your free traffic sources. And then you keep running on your paid traffic, your next contender, so that you can replace your free traffic source creative. Item number 7 is minimizing lost leads by using an automated kind of lead sequence system that educates potential customers so that it will nurture them and turn them into buyers. As you can see in the illustration, we all know that the buying process is a journey. Item number 8 is track all of your results. If you don't track all of your results, then this is all for naught. Use Google Analytics. You should always be using Google Analytics because it's free and extremely robust. Also, if you have one of those fancy funnel builders, they're going to provide you with a dashboard of tracking results and different metrics, KPIs, etc. Item number 9 is the length of your funnel. Most people think that it's a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, super short process. And actually, if you have a longer funnel, usually the better your success is going to be. Yes, it's a little longer of a sales cycle, but when you slow roll this information, this automated information, by the way, to these potential customers, your results typically yield better. Finally, item number 10 is to find the winners and scale, right? So many people that I know completely overlook this step. They just don't scale the ad spend up so that they can see the results that they finally want. They see all of these stories about how people made $38,000 in 1 month from a sales funnel, right? But they don't scale up to get there. If you're making $2 or $3 or $4 for every $1 you put in, push in, right? Go in on this. That's how you're going to make the real money. All right, guys, that was my 10-step process on how to make a sales funnel for your e-commerce website that converts. So if you found this useful, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to be notified of future updates in e-commerce. And lastly, don't forget to download my free lead magnet. My free ebook on how to launch knockout products on Amazon. It's free and instant access. Just click the link below. We'll see you on the next one.